Imagine trying to capture a perfect moment, a smile, a sunset, a fast-moving scene, and you press the camera control button on your iPhone 17, but nothing happens. The delay costs you the shot, and it's frustrating. Luckily, your iPhone lets you adjust how sensitive that camera control button is, so you can make it respond exactly the way you want. Here's how to fine-tune it. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap Camera Control. Here, you'll see the main camera control switch along with all available customization options. Make sure the camera control switch is turned on. Then, under Light Press Force, choose the sensitivity level you want: lighter, default, or firmer. If your camera isn't responding fast enough, selecting lighter usually gives you the quickest reaction when you press the button. Also, make sure the double light press speed and double click speed options are set to default. Otherwise, you will need to carry out these actions using the camera control button slowly or slower. To test it, simply give the camera control a light press and see if the camera app launches right away. If it responds the way you like, you're all set. You can start taking photos or recording videos instantly with your physical camera control button. And that's it. If this video helped you get faster access to your iPhone 17 camera, give it a like and watch our other tutorials to explore more hidden iPhone features. Thanks for watching.